Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, Wednesday Fed Day. We're going to find out today what the story is, or we're going to find out that there is no story. It's a situation where the way the day sets up, 2 o'clock you have the interest rate announcement, and that includes the economic projections from the Fed. At 2:30, Bernanke does his press conference. So we're sitting up here at 1700, and yesterday was just one big up day. Really no down ticks. They grounded higher all day long. Did one tick below the 88s, down to 87.75, and then it was all up after that. Really gave you no chance to get in, and it gave you no chance to make any money on the short side if that's what you were trying to do. If you are heavily positioned ahead of the Fed, I would suggest that you not be heavily positioned ahead of the Fed. This is a complete coin toss, depending on what they're going to say and what the timing is. I've heard arguments that they could rip it from here, that everything's priced in. All these are very valid arguments, and they could cause this market to move violently in one, if not both directions. So the chances of you getting shaken out of a heavy position for a loss today are pretty good. So why be there at all? It's much better to determine what the range is after the number, determine what that range is going to be, and then trade within that range, either by fading it, trading a breakdown of the range, or a breakout of the range. That is a much more risk-responsible way to trade any Fed meeting, but especially this Fed meeting. So I always say don't game the Fed. Well, you can put 3 underlines and 10 exclamation points on that statement for this time around. They may do something. They may do nothing at all. They may continue to talk about what they're going to do and not say when they're going to do it. And we as individual traders have no control over what the reaction to that is going to be. And if you think you do, that's a little naive. And if you think you know what the reaction is going to be, I would say that it may be an educated guess, but it's a guess just the same. Don't guess, trade. Let the market establish a range, trade out of that range. So we're sitting up here at 1700. For all of the uptrend yesterday, we did not take out the Monday highs, which I think was telling. We did not get to my upper volatility level yesterday, which was 16.99 even, until I think it was after cash close that we hit that, and we never really made an attempt at making a bias over that upper level, which is surprising for a day that was such a grind higher. It felt like an up 20 day when it was really just not even half that. So be careful today. Square your positions up ahead of the Fed and trade it responsibly. I will be out tonight with an evening recap. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.